Hello and welcome to this channel where I talk about trading in the crypto market. I am going to show you guys how I enter these trades, what I look for before entering the trades, and most importantly, some of the rules that I never break.
Back to this channel. So today we are going to be talking about BTC, and I just had to make a video today because of how price has been moving crazy recently. And so what happened was yesterday I did call the fact that I would expect price to hit somewhere around these areas soon. I know I did say that, but I did not expect it to happen so soon. If you check the TA based on yesterday, we are expecting a climb up to this demand zone. Sorry, not a demand zone, to the box confirmation, because it has to be mitigated before price can come all the way back down, right? But then in this case, price came all the way up. I was hoping for it to happen exactly like what I expected this year. Come here, mitigate at least to 50%, then from there to come back down here. But what happened was, it didn't even get to mitigate a bit. It came all the way down to the zone, and it went all the way up again, and now it's trading in a range like this. So that's not a good sign. Price times like these, it's almost very difficult to determine, or not even determine, but to predict where price is going to be headed. I still believe that there's a zone here which they have to mitigate, but I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna be staying away from any type of trade maybe this coming day, because I just want to see where price is going to be moving. Like I said, it's impossible to just go to a chart and place a trade. You need setup, you need proper price movement before you can even think of entering a trade, right? Let's just try slimming it down. I'll go down to 15 minutes. Let's see how price is moving. Yeah, this is just complete madness. Who would have thought, right? Although, to be fair, I am seeing quite possible wait. I'll just get rid of those. You guys don't really need those. I'm not sure if they fall into it, but right here is a supply. And then right here is a supply. Here. Isn't that though? Doesn't look like much, to be honest. Yeah, there really is no explanation for this. Price is just moving crazy. I would personally stay out of it, especially BTC at the moment. Let's take a look at the other ones. Looks like Ether had an even crazier drop, which is just madness in my opinion. Yeah, no, this is not good. This is bad, honestly. So I guess we'll just bot confirm ETH at the moment. Let's just box confirm ETH. Okay. Okay, so price broke, came back in, test. Keep in mind that this is the point of break. Point of break was right here. Price broke out, came back into test in this zone. It's boned all the way up. What's funny is actually, price came out here and actually came back in. The thing is, it's too thick. We actually have to consider this. The price came back in. Then yeah, this second one, so definitely here to here. Isn't this price did came on BOS? Okay. So now what we can do is we definitely have to use one of the top ones. So this here has one huge supply over here. This one huge supply, which is definitely going to hold. And other than that, yeah, we can just move on. So let's just This is actually not a BS. I'm just seeing BOSs everywhere. If you bother that came out here. Yeah, there's no zone to entry. I guess this is the second possible one. Yeah. So right here is the next big sell. So price broke out, came back in right here to test. Right? So that would mean, wait, look right. There's where it tested. So here's the next box. Price broke out here, came back in, and there. This is a very small box here. BOS. And after the BOS, this is the next one. Broke out, came back into test, it broke out, yeah. This is the next one, next box right here. Price broke out there, came back in, broke out. Yeah, I mean, many people would consider this right here to be an entry point because price broke out. But I probably would not. Anyways, either way, if you actually just take a look properly, they will both end in a BOS anyway, so we're just gonna have to start a whole new one, which is gonna be maybe this, right? Or we can just do, yeah, something like this. Yeah, so this big one here. Price broke out, came back into test. So we're definitely looking at some upside moves. Definitely upside moves. Here to here, definitely here. Upside moves for sure from there, because I'll just explain one more time. Price broke, came back in, range trading. It's already mitigated, now it has to break up. We can go to Solana now. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is also looking like, what the hell is going on in the market at the moment? My apologies for that. I think there's a very clear trend in what is happening. There's a lot of this is basically huge fake out in my opinion. This here is a huge freak out. So what they did was they huge sell position, and then at the same time they bought back, which attempted to take all of the FOMO in within the within the market with all the fear and greed. So what they did was they just went all the way down, bought back, and rode it all the way up. See, it's about at 60 at the moment, so this is not good at all. Oh yeah, this is not good. That would mean that a lot of the time, a lot of institutions are actually taking advantage of the situation and will definitely go against the retail trading. I mean, that's what we know and that's what we expect of them to do at the same time, which is why I always tell you guys that it's not a bias. It's not a bias to trade institution way. It's more a, what would you call it? It's more a base. Biases are when, like, you have a specific little specific rules, specific like confirmations that you make sure you follow before you do anything, mainly because those things are what keep your risk to reward, your risk management, everything in check so that you do not have a problem, right? But then the ability to know and look at and like just trade the institution's way, if you guys pick up on it quick, which I suggest you do, it's a one hell of a gift that someone can have for sure, without a doubt in my mind. So we should definitely look into that. Trust me when I say trade the institution way. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.